Hey, what's going on, guys? Tony here at Learn Auto Body and Paint. Hope you're doing well. Let me know if you can hear me quickly by typing in the chat. Tony, what's up? I hear ya. Can you hear me? Is anyone out there? Or give me a quick like, whatever you want to do. And I'm just going to give you a quick update. Dude, it's finally starting to get warm. You know, I've been kind of pausing things in the shop here because, it's just been freaking cold. 20-degree mornings here in Texas. And finally, today it was like 60 in the morning. It's going to get out to like 75 today. Beautiful. I am starting to come out of my cave a little bit more. And we're going to be doing some auto body projects this coming spring and summer. And I'm super, super excited. And if you're excited, give me a quick thumbs up as well, please. Or else we'll just end the show. Or else we will just close down the stream and I'll go back to doing my thing. So anyway, check it out. We are going to be installing this 350 blueprinted engine into the 67 Chevelle very, very soon. I have the transmission hooked up here. I'm installing my Speedo gears right now. As you can see, we got the Speedo gears. All right, I have to change this out. We got to do some things right in here, as you can see. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and bolt up our 700 R4 transmission to our engine here. We are going to bolt up our flex plate to our item over there. And we are going to basically jack it up and drop it in. So what we did was I already undercoated the frame. As you can see, it's nicely undercoated here. We've got the power booster kind of sitting on there, right? It's not bolted in, but we got to do the brakes. We got the suspension pretty much in pieces, but it's starting to take some shape here, right? We just have to put our springs in. Put our lower and upper control arms in. As you can see, everything is right here. GM, sir, 100% correcto mundo. We have our flywheel, torque converter, everything ready to just be bolted up. I installed my, oil pressure sensor right here. Okay, so that's going to be hooked up. I installed my little bracket here for my kickdown cable. I had installed the gas line here to my new fuel pump right down here, manual fuel pump. Okay, we painted and we're reusing some of our flywheel belt pulleys here. Okay, we have a brand new water pump set up here. The carburetor is on. We got our hooker headers bolted on. Okay, both sides. They are pretty much set. We have our brand new motor mounts set up right over here, guys. Okay, so we are pretty much ready. I just have to get my alternator on here. And we're going to put our starter on, which we have right over here. So basically, I'm washing some parts down. The starter is 100% clean. We washed it down with some gasoline in this thing right over here. So now we're just going to quickly paint my starter with aluminum spray paint so it looks good. Same thing with my alternator. I have not painted it or cleaned it yet, but this is going to be painted and put on. Power steering pump is going to be cleaned up and painted. We're going to install those pieces on the car, on the engine right here, right? And we're going to drop the motor in, and I plan to have this thing running within a couple weeks. Hopefully, probably not the end of the month, because I'm actually going on another road trip next week. So we're going on another road trip, but this thing is going to be running. The goal is before the end of April. So next month sometime, this thing will be running, completely running on the ground, engine in, and then all I have to do is take it to an exhaust shop to get the exhaust done. I just don't want to fuck with that under there like that tight space, because my rack is pretty much filled up. And I don't know if this rack, I don't think I'll feel comfortable with this heavy ass classic car on this rack. So that's that. Yes, sir. What's up, Steve? What's up, Steve? So that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, I'm just here working. I've got the brand new radiator right here. Got electric fan sitting down right here. I have installed my tack. If we take a look, and my gauges. I'm doing all this myself, guys. Right here. So I got my tack right over here, as you can see. Right where you could basically have it out of your way, but still have it. I didn't want to, you know, put it around in this area, but I got my little gauges here. Okay, we got oil, we got battery, and we got temperature. All right, so that's the little gauges there. Oh shit, I've been looking for this gun. Jesus, been going crazy looking for this. It's been in the car. Jeez. Forgot it was in the car. Here is the tractor. Everybody's wondering, Tony, you're gonna beat up the tractor, it's gonna get all scratched up and ugly. Well, it is scratched up and ugly, you know, and I really don't care because we did it. It was a cool video, and it's pretty much scratched up and ugly now. Did I ever find my lost GoPro? I did. I don't know where I found it, but I found it. It was the square GoPro, the little square GoPro. I did find it, and I have two now. So I have the Hero, and then I have the little square one. Did I have the engine blue tested? It's a blueprinted engine, so I got the dyno sheet on it and everything. I got it from blueprintengines.com. They build it, they put it on the dyno for you, showed it had 380 horsepower, 420 pounds of torque, and this sucker is ready to humdinger. It's gonna be a humdinger. So, yeah, I can't wait to get this sucker in. I got the dyno sheet, like I said, and I can't wait to pop it in. We're also putting brand new body mounts on the whole car here. So the frame is actually unbolted from the body of the car right now. And I have to replace all of the bushings. And don't worry, guys, for you VIP guys, I got GoPro footage of all of this. And we're going to show you how, you know, some of the things that we do here to basically get it done. So I can't wait. It's going to be done very soon. I've never ordered an engine from Blueprint Engines before, but I see they have a pretty good track record. So I said, why not? And I always wanted to buy a crate engine. You know, when I was like 15, 16, I used to look in Hot Rod magazine and all that stuff, and it'd be like, man, it'd be awesome to get a hot rod engine. But I didn't want to go all out too crazy. I mean, this sucker was like $3,600. Not too bad. But, you know, I had to buy some extra stuff on it. I had to buy the headers. I had to buy the fuel pump, motor mounts, you know, the accessories, water pump. I had to get all that stuff and put on. Gonna need a substantial rear tire budget. Well, it needs tires. The whole thing needs tires. So once I get it on the road, I'm gonna get some new tires for it. But we're running some center lines here. Nice, meaty. What's your opinion on panel body adhesive? Need to replace a rust spot, don't have a welder. You know, I've had friends use that stuff with no problem. And I mean, they say it's strong as welding, but it just doesn't seem plausible to me, I guess you would say. MT Mickey Thompson's. Let me see what I'm running here. I think I'm running 275s. I am running, what's on the back of this sucker? 255, 60, 15. So it's 255 in the rear, and I believe the fronts are 225 wide. But I mean, dude, this is enough meat for street rod use. You know, oh, we got air shocks installed in the back already done. You can see my little air gauge right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, what I did right here. So you put air in it, it raises the back of the car up. So you can go up and down with the back with air shocks. Kind of like that feature. It's a lot cheaper than doing bags, but it's still cool because if you want to drop the back, you can drop it, or if you want to pick it up, you can pick it. You'll see, guys. I can't wait to get it running and on the road. It's going to be a looker for sure. All right, guys, so what we're going to be doing is tomorrow I'm thinking we're going to do auto body Q&A tomorrow, maybe around 10 o'clock in the morning, Central Time. So if you guys want to hop on tomorrow, we'll do auto body Q&A. I'll send an update to everybody, and we will do that for 20, 30 minutes or so, just so, you know, we can catch up on that. Hope everybody's doing well. I am going to Virginia next week with my daughter. Awesome, dude, Chevelle, I can't wait to get this sucker on the road. My rear end is a stock rear end, 10-bolt rear end, with, I think it was 373 gears in it. But I'm not going to worry about the rear end. I just want to get this thing like set up. I got to get the drive shaft shortened, or maybe just even get a new drive shaft for it, custom drive shaft. No 411. I want something that'll be a street cruiser. You know, I'm not going to go burning rubber everywhere I go, but I think this is going to be sufficient, man. Because, I mean, where am I going? I'm just going to go to the shopping mall, hang out. Not shopping mall, shopping center, you know, go get gas, drive around, cruise around, take my daughter places. I mean, it's, you know, I'm not going to go like I'm 20 years old again, you know. Maybe a little bit, of course, a little bit. But later on, I'll beef up the rear end if I feel like I need it. I mean, it's a standard column shift, which I like. I like the bench seat in the front. It's like, it's cruise, it's chill, you know. American muscle, baby. So yeah, man, that's it, guys. Quick update. I hope everyone's doing well. Oh, I got a clear coat video coming out tomorrow. I'm making it today. I'm just going to screw around with this for a little while this morning. And then I am making a video for YouTube for you guys on clear coat. Actually, the Tamco clear coats, we painted some pieces a few months ago, maybe like 2 months ago. And we got all that footage that I'm working on right now for you. So you guys are going to get some new footage with that. Oh my God, I got some crazy stuff coming down the pipeline as well. We got new products coming out at the shop, the store, very soon. One of them is pretty much, I don't even know if I should say anything. I don't know if I should say, nobody sees the like button. You know what? I really don't care. Whatever. But, dude, we got an amazing, cool little gadget thing that we are working on. And it's probably going to be unveiling by the end of the month. I like a car that makes me feel like I'm driving my couch. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Like a caddy. So anyway, we have a cool thing, guys, for you DIY painters and hobbyists coming out at the store probably at the end of the month or next month for sure. Yeah, so I'm excited to share all of that with you guys. So again, I will talk to you later. Tomorrow we're going live. Just want to give you a quick update. It's you know, getting warmer, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. I gotta get to work, man. I can't just be goofing off all day, right? So hit the like button before you leave, and comment below, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right? Have a good day. It's Friday? It's Friday, man. How could you not have a good day? Well, unless you work 7 days a week like me, but I still make it a good day. All right, guys. Peace.